We were first getting water in from the one wall, and so we had Ayers come out and see what the problem was, and they recommended putting this drain along the whole wall on that side and then down and putting in a sump pump, and that took care of that problem. And then when they came out to do the once-a-year check, said, "Did you notice your wall? There's like little cracks in the cement, in the blocks." Didn't notice them, but then he recommended putting those strips in, and we haven't had any problems since. The installation went very well, and the crew was great. They protected everything. We didn't notice a lot of dust because they were breaking up the cement and everything. So it was done well. They cleaned up after themselves. It was good. AyersCare has been very good to us. We haven't had any additional need for anything extra, but just knowing that they'll come out and make sure the sump pump's working and everything is, in good condition, that makes us feel more secure. I have told people about Ayers, and I know friends who have used Ayers as well and are very pleased with what they do. And it's not a hard sell, which I like, and they took care of us. They did what they were going to do. We haven't had any problems. I would recommend Ayers to anyone.